Hey guys, what's up? It's Tomac Tips here, and today we've got an unboxing of the Canon 550d or Canon T2i or the KISS X4, I believe. They're just these names, but they are the same machine. So before we go and open this, let's go ahead and what they gave us. We have tripod. Let's put this away. And they're lucky they gave me a tripod because I'm really in need of a new one because this one is messed up. A camera bag. It's not really nice, but whatever. An extra battery for the camera. Some lame thing. Let me. Another lame thing. An 8 GB class 6 memory card. That dude in the store already opened it, so he put the memory card in. So and then this filter for the camera. Let's zoom in a little bit right here. Before we even open this, let's go ahead and go with the specs a little bit. So this has a 18 megapixel resolution with a CMOS sensor. Let me just go with the important stuff first. The maximum ISO is 6400, but if you boost it up, it can go to 12800. It's a 3-inch LCD, and it has a very nice resolution. So let's open the box, and here we have these manuals, record card, some adverts, some software installation, solution disc, and some other CD stuff. Then we have some manuals here, and then open it up. Here we have the Canon strap. We have the USB adapter, the video thing, the power adapter, the camera cover, the battery cover, the battery adapter, and then here we have the lens. This is the kit lens, which is 18 to 55 millimeters. So here's the lens. Let's put it aside. And here for the star of the show. Let's bring it out. Get this nice cloth out of the way, and here we go. This is the Canon 550d. It's very nice. It feels very sturdy, and its weight. This is a 3-inch LCD screen. You can film HD 1080p video recording at 24 frames per second. If you go continue shooting, it'll go 3.7 frames per second, which is considerably fast for entry-level camera. I was hesitating between the Nikon D3100 or the Canon 550d or the Rebel T2i. This is the Rebel T2i, but I like Canon more, so I went with Canon. There's 9 autofocus points, 2 more less than the Nikon D3100, but it's, yeah, I tried with both and I like this more. And yeah, I'll get a review of this very soon. I can't wait to try it all out. And here under this flap, there's these HDMI and the connector, HDMI connector, and the external audio, which is very good for video recording. So I'll give you guys a review of this, and here's the unboxing. Thanks for watching.